just get the kids at school to work for us instead of the school.
Alright. Back.
We did 10.
On a Friday.
Bring it to the life month. Welcome to the life month, 3 to 11. You're just gonna do this here for the rest of the years that you're here.
What you mean? At work or literally school? Oh, you started 3 to 11 now?
No, you said 3 to 10.
Damn, bro.
You didn't apply for it.
I hate that shit. But yeah, we're back on a Friday. It's raining. It's muggy. We don't want to be here today. But we locking in. Hope you're having a good Friday. Yes. Huh?
No. That's probably what's going on inside my stomach.
That, what? Which one you pick, CV? Which one you pick? Damn, I picked all of the above.
Yeah, why was bringing the pain?
To keep it from kinking. When it's going from hot to cold.
And pressure raises the that's
sometimes more likely that the hose will try to collapse, especially if you have a big long one. Then pull the coolant back in through the
I'm
cap.
flying past people.
Okay,
Right.
So we have a spring in the hose to help keep it shaped.
For every pound of pressure, the boiling point goes.
That was our first day.
Put the word out.
Shit.
For us, we'll pay. Okay. That brings us to the third rule of fundraising. You gotta pay
I'm
Nah, I'm dead. She about to check the
2,
fucking.
3, or 3, 4. 2, 3, or 3, 4. 2, 3, or 3, 4.
That's a good move.
We got 10 seconds already.
I'm gonna check the power points. That was a good player.
W, appreciate
Wow! It worked!
Appreciate you. Oh my goodness. What is the best way to test?
Shut up. Oh shit! I didn't even know. What the fuck? He a cool nigga.
Yeah, he's chill.
I didn't know.
You see it? We was chopping it up with him. He was cool people.
I go rub John back. John said, don't ever caress my back.
To who? Who said that to? Yeah.
Nigga got rejected by.
I was trying to wash. Put the caramel on me. I haven't done that shit. Cool down.
I could never do it.
Taking the radiator out of this. What's inside the radiator, folks? What's inside the cooling system?
Coolant.
So when we take off the hose, what's going to come out of it?
Coolant.
All right, so it's going to get a little messy. We've got a drain pan underneath. The drill's going to be, you got to drain, you got to pop off that lower hose, take off the cap, pop the lower hose off. You got 2 bolts there. They're going to come out, and we're going to lift the radiator up, all right? We should have enough time to come out, go in, come out, and go back in. And that's just what we can do. So I kind of want everybody to get a little bit on this. The other side of the house is going to be working. You're not going to miss a whole lot. You're going to be working with me on the pressure test. If you haven't got a signature on your pressure test sheet, that's who needs to be with me on pressure test. Okay? And it should work out really nice.
Yeah, this is too big.
Hybrids and fucking shit. Like, I mean, yeah, but like, you shoot some like the new shit niggas gonna be getting. Yeah, bro. Niggas got like 2020 Carsons and shit. Siennas, I see. I got the book. Got you.
Sweet. It might be this bolt holding it. Yup. Is this bolt right here holding it?
No.
Another bolt?
It's another bolt right here.
Go ahead. I've separated it. Try.
Okay.
Oh, there you go. Pull it up.
Yep. Pull yours.
What's on the bottom?
My ball is in there.
Yeah, I'll take that one.
Something's grabbing. Get up pliers and just pull that bitch.
You can leave this on the inside. And take
Yeah.
What we need to take the radiator?
This. We doing what we need.
Oh, they wrap this shit up.
But he specifically said, don't touch that black shit.
Nah, you're good. This shit's not gonna slide out.
Yeah. This shit.
Yeah, I thought he had scissors.
Spray some WD. Pull that shit. Pull that shit.
Yeah. Put some fucking shit.
Pull that shit. Yeah.
Yeah. All right, sir. We got a cracked
Beautiful.
We got a burnt radiator.
Beautiful. Excellent. Excellent. All right.
It's burnt. It's disgusting.
Yeah. And this one's this is from the fan, from the electric fan.
Put that wide boy back in.
It's hitting some lines right here.
Oh, what the fuck is leaking? Yo, is that shit? It's leaking, no?
How much is in this bitch?
Yo.
That's the lower hose, right?
Yeah, the one that did his lower hose.
Okay, we gotta get that.
We need this to sit here. Right here, see?
Yo, who got a light, bro?
Oh, show my lighter.
I gave it to you.
You gave it to me?
Everybody else. All right, everybody get it in.
Yeah.
You guys are gonna swap in, get it out. Let's get that thing.
Fuck.
We need a light, bro.
I left that shit in my car. A for effort. Remember, look, because remember, we have to get this back in these pockets. So for it to, so we have to get this in between here like these. Yo, it's cause these fucking. Cause see, look, boom. This needs to be in here. Push it in here.
Yeah.
Shine the light down here. Let me see. Okay, boom. That's where it needs to be.
So this is not what I touched.
Boom. Now it's in. My fault. It's in the spot it's supposed to be.
Where does move?
This is where it's supposed to be. So hold it. Hold this like this, Kyber. Like this. See?
It was small. It had like a washer on it.
Boom. Pass me that.
This is not the bolt though.
You lift it up.
I gotta.
Oh, put the flashlight.
Yep, right here. Boom. Alright.
I don't think this is the bolt we took out.
Fuck. Yeah.
Yo,
I'm gonna keep that.
And then this one goes here, huh?
I'm to the bolt that's right here.
Yeah. We need to put those two in.
Force the air bubbles in the system out because it's not going to come out all at once. Yo, how long do you think it would take to bleed the system out of that Infinity Q60 that we looked? How long do you think that would take? Would it take a long time?
Yes.
Okay. And if there was a little air bubble in there next to the turbocharger, could that be a problem?
Yeah.
Yeah. So you would want to make sure there's 100% air bubbles out of the system, right?
Yeah.
Yeah. This is
Yes.
how you do that, okay? So whatever you're doing right now, if you're watching, that's good. So this is what's going to happen. We're going to fill up the funnel, and we're going to pull out the stopper, and it's going to start filling up the system. All right. Once it's full up a little bit, we're going to start the car. We're going to.
That's fire for this. Oh, aren't you so happy it's Friday, guys?
Bro, what is this? They got their sweaters on and shit. Where's the graph? I know, advanced selection. We might get them.
It's Friday. Yo, what time is it? I might peel off early if he's doing that dumb shit. It'd be like that. Oh, I need to go to Harbor Freight. You in the way, gang. I'm sorry to tell you, but you in the way, mud.